I'm honored to be a recipient of the Earl L. Warrick Award for Excellence in Research. I'd like to acknowledge some of the people who have inspired and supported me while pursuing my career goals. First and foremost, my accomplishments would be impossible without the fabulous team with whom I work. Teamwork makes the dream work, right, Megan? But seriously, I couldn't dream of a better research partner in crime and friend. Thank you for being the absolute best. It's also important to thank our amazing student research assistants over the years. They're the heart and engine of our work. I'd also like to thank Josh Odie for his friendship and mentorship and, once upon a time, introducing me, a clueless student, to the idea of research. I'm also grateful for the guidance and mentorship my PhD advisor, Jim Pavarnik, provided. And finally, Judy Ruland, as she was my nominator, cheerleader, and advocate while HHS Dean. On a personal note, I'd like to thank my family for their love and support. My parents and sister model hard work and show love in their own unique ways, which have meant so much to me. My sweet kids, Cameron and Parker, are the bright spot in my life, and they've taught me balance and perspective. Last but never least, I thank my remarkable husband, Scott. If all women were supported by their partner in the manner that you love and encourage me, this world would be a much better place. Again, my most sincere thanks and heartfelt congratulations to all the other award winners.